Okay, guys. So this is the fourth and the last analysis we had for last week, and this is the one I it got me confused, so I didn't take the trade anymore. Okay, so let's dive into it. Yes, this was the trade. So the week started off here, and I expected it to respect this other block because it was already on the downtrend, right? But overall, you could see the overall market has been in an uptrend overall. You could see what's happening here, right? Yeah. So definitely the market will want to come and retest a point. I was expecting it to keep going down, maybe come down to this point, this other block here. Yeah, this other block position here. I was expecting it to come here since it's kind of like in the same line with where we had our break of structure. You get, we had our break somewhere here. So it's not, it didn't come down to that point. So, but then it took this fair value gap. There's a fair value gap here. That was what the market took. Market took this fair value gap here. This daily fair value gap. Yeah. So it took this daily fair value gap here. Yeah. So and it started pushing. I didn't see that coming. I was just expecting it to sell. If I had seen this coming, maybe I would have actually been expecting more buys. But then even at that, have to see what 4 hours said about that point. Okay. That point we had a excuse me, kind of have a little cold. All right. Sorry about that. I would I'll get it sorted out after now. So but let's finish this. So yeah, it did this. It came and took the fair value gap just before this other block. There's a fair value gap on 4 hours before that other block here. The fair value gap here. Yeah, yeah. So this fair value gap here. That's when it came to tapping on the trade, right? So, well, before I started moving, well, I didn't see that. So I was expecting market to like give me a confirmation of a sell, but it didn't give me a confirmation of a sell on a daily. So it broke above that point. So what I expected was after the break, there should be like a retest on a zone. And we had this other block zone here on 4 hours on a daily rather. We had this other block zone here on daily because our trading range has shifted now. It's now between this point here and this point here. Here. So we're waiting for market to tap in on this area and give us a buy. But if you look at it on the 4 hours, market never actually came down to that point after it broke out all this break all these points after the breakout from this point. So from this point, it never actually came down there. Instead, it came down to where we had this zone, but there's a zone here, the same area of the breakout. We had a zone there and it tapped in. I couldn't say this is the other block it tapped in left. It's kind of like the last other block before the bullish. So this last other block was also invalidated. I couldn't say that is it. So it wasn't something I could take. So I didn't take the trade. I just avoided it. But I still feel this is what I feel, right? I still feel this could happen. Market could still maybe turn up somewhere around it. This is what I feel might happen here. Market may do this, set this low. It's kind of like a manipulation going on, like an inducement of a liquidity. So it may now come back to take out all this liquidity here, tapping on this zone and shift, right? So this is what I feel may happen. So because I know that market is actually looking for liquidity. So they are kind of forming or inducing liquidities around this area. So it may finally come back to tap in here or even here, because I can see a little order block position here on 4 hours. There's another block here on 4 hours. This small order block. Yeah, there's another block here. Yeah, so it may come down to tapping on this other block area and push off again. So, but until we see that, then we have an entry. But if we don't see that, we just gotta wait. So have this in mind. This may happen and it may not happen as well. Okay, so have that in mind. See you guys later. All right, see you guys in the next video. Do well to subscribe. Do well to turn on your bell notification. Like this video, drop me a comment and share the video as well. All right. So if you want to chat me up, drop me a comment or check out my Instagram and my TikTok. Okay, guys. So for now, see you guys on. I want to start after this. I'm going to be dropping some backtest videos. So the essence of the backtest videos is so we'll get conversant with the structure or the system. All right. So please follow through so you get those informations as well. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.